Today we're dishing out everything you need to know about buying a barbecue smoker. There's a ton of great options to choose from, so let's take a look. First up, you'll want to choose your fuel type. If you're somebody who wants manual control over how you tend your fire and airflow, then a charcoal smoker is a great choice. One of the most versatile options within this category is a Kamado. These are highly insulated cookers that provide really stable environments for anything you want to smoke. Another popular charcoal smoker to consider would be something like the Weber Smoky Mountain. The large door on the side makes it easy to refuel, and its tall height makes for a great indirect heat environment. Then there's electric smokers. These smokers are as easy to cook in as an oven. Just set your temperature and the heating element will allow it to coast right where you want it. You can get plenty of smoke flavor without having to keep bags of charcoal around or needing to tend a fire. Electric smokers generally have a good bit less airflow moving past your food, which is good for retaining moisture, but it's worth noting that it can be hard to get that same outer bark that you would expect from a more traditional smoker. Now, pellet smokers are the easiest to use if you want something that will manage your fuel, heat, airflow, and smoke. The wood pellets are your fuel and smoking wood wrapped into one. Pellet fuel gives off a more subtle smoky flavor than wood chunks, so this can prevent you from having to worry about over-smoking your food. Now for gas smokers. These can provide good, consistent heat without the need for electricity. Gas smokers are a great option for a spot in the yard where you may not have an electrical outlet nearby. And of course, good peace of mind that if you lose power, you can keep on smoking. Next up, you'll want to choose your smoker type. Let's talk offset smokers. This type refers to a smoker where the firebox or heat source is placed just off the main cooking chamber. Offset smokers are perfect for any barbecue purist that enjoys the process of building and maintaining a fire to smoke with. Now with a vertical smoker, your heat source is directly beneath the main cooking chamber. Temperature management can be easier with this type of smoker because the heat passes directly by your food on the way up to the top vent. You won't have as much heat fluctuation from the right to left as you will find on an offset smoker. And then there's unconventional smokers. These guys don't fall neatly into vertical or offset. Some in this category are designed to mimic the appearance of a standard gas grill. Something like a Cajun combo charcoal grill and smoker can function as both a grill and a vertical or offset smoker depending on where you position the charcoal inside the body. You'll also want to consider configuration, such as freestanding. Of course, there's plenty of smokers that are designed to be freestanding, allowing you to wheel them wherever you may want to cook. And then there's built-in. There's smoker options that are designed to look great built into your outdoor kitchen. Many people like pairing a built-in smoker near a gas grill for the best of both worlds. Cookshack electric smokers are a great option for this because they can simply slide into a cutout of an island. Kamados are another great option that you can simply just drop into an open slot of your island. As always, make sure to check the owner's manual to ensure that you plan for proper ventilation and cutout specs for whatever you choose to build in. Lastly, you should consider what class of smoker you want. Let's start off with luxury. These are top-of-the-line smokers, mostly made from 304 grade stainless steel for maximum longevity. Lifetime warranties in this category also add peace of mind that you'll be smoking for a long time. And then there's premium. These are constructed with stainless steel or coated steel for many years of use. They have solid warranties for up to 10 years and are designed to be very well insulated for consistently delicious barbecue. Practical smokers are a good option if you're looking for something budget-friendly and easy to use. Unique cooking systems and helpful features distinguish these smokers from the economy models. Last up, economy smokers. These smokers are generally very straightforward and basic in design. To meet a more reasonable price point, you can expect thinner construction and therefore less insulation in this class of smokers. A popular option in this category is the Weber Smoky Mountain. It's more insulated than a kettle grill, and I like that it has the large fuel door, allowing you to refuel without moving what you have on the grill. Thanks for watching today. I hope this video was helpful in your search to find the perfect smoker. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell for notifications. We'll see you next time.